benefits of eating oats daily. Here's a thought. Do you have any idea what would happen to your body if you start eating oats every morning? Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day. Doctors and nutritionists strongly recommend oatmeal as breakfast because they know that high-quality oats, particularly those that are free of impurities and are environmentally friendly, make you feel and look better, not just on the inside, but also on the outside. So what are the exact benefits of eating oatmeal daily? We'll tell you if you stay with us until the end of the video. We'll also give you some excellent ideas for turning a dull oatmeal breakfast into a delightful meal. Number 1. It will improve the appearance of your skin. Eczema, dermatitis, and skin rashes are all disorders that oatmeal can help with. Oats have special properties due to the wide range of vitamins and minerals they contain, including zinc. This assists in the cleansing of the skin and the removal of toxins and other harmful substances. It also has a rejuvenating effect and effectively minimizes big pores. Iron. This is one of the most essential ingredients for skin cell moisture nutrition and absorption. Manganese. This is an anti-inflammatory and anti-swelling element that also helps in the healing of cuts, bruises, burns, and other minor injuries to the skin. Lastly, magnesium. This helps improve blood flow and skin cell renewal. Number 2. It will provide much-needed protein for your muscles. The majority of people would tell you your body needs protein in order to build muscles. While protein is essential, not everyone knows that your body also requires carbohydrates and fats, which can both be found in oatmeal. Carbs provide the energy you'll need for working out. Oatmeal provides 15% of the recommended daily protein intake in just one serving, or around half a cup of oatmeal. Vitamin E, antioxidants, and glutamine are also important in helping muscle fibers regenerate faster. Number 3. It will boost your supply of antioxidants. There are plenty of antioxidants found in oats that can help with itching, inflammation, and high blood pressure. Beta-glucan is also produced by antioxidants, which reduces blood sugar and stimulates nitric oxide production. Through dilation of blood vessels, this gas enhances blood flow. Beta-glucan also lowers cholesterol, helps the growth of good bacteria in the digestive tract, and makes you feel fuller after meals. These benefits are all enhanced by vitamin C. It's not entirely coincidental that most breakfast menus feature orange juice and oatmeal. Number 4. You'll be fully energized. As previously mentioned, oatmeal is high in carbohydrates, which provide your body with energy. It's best to eat oats when they're a little dry, since you'll feel fuller for much longer, reducing your craving for other foods. Other basic nutrients are also found in oats. In just half a cup of oats, you'll get 191% of the recommended dietary intake, or RDI, of manganese, 41% of the RDI of phosphorus, 34% of the RDI of magnesium, 24% of the RDI of copper, 20% of the RDI of zinc and iron, 11% of the RDI of folate, 39% of the RDI of vitamin B, 10% of the RDI of vitamin B5, and other beneficial nutrients in smaller quantities. Number 5. It will help you lose weight. The slow carbohydrates in oatmeal will help suppress your appetite and maintain normal blood sugar levels. While the nutrients mentioned previously boost your metabolism, they also prevent fat and toxins from building up in your body. Don't forget about the beta-glucan. It prevents overeating by making you feel fuller for a longer period of time. It also helps release the satiety hormone, which is released in your stomach when you eat, resulting in faster weight loss. Number 6. Your cholesterol level will drop. Oatmeal's linoleic acid and soluble fiber help reduce triglycerides and bad cholesterol levels in the blood. This bad cholesterol triggers artery inflammation, tissue damage, and a higher risk of stroke or heart attack. The now famous beta-glucan also helps lower cholesterol in the body, while, along with other nutrients, cleaning fat from arterial walls and protecting the body from serious diseases, such as arterial sclerosis. Number 7. It lowers the risk of developing heart disease. Healthy fats are abundantly found in oats that help the heart and circulatory system cells. Because of the antioxidants found in oatmeal, the likelihood of free radical damage to blood vessel walls is greatly reduced. Number 8. Your digestion will significantly improve. To achieve optimal digestion, experts recommend that you consume at least 25 to 38 grams of dietary fiber a day. The good news is, 1/5 of the recommended daily fiber intake is already contained in a small portion of oats. Many that suffer from IBS or irregular bowel movements or constipation will benefit from this. Now that we've discussed the benefits of eating oats every day, we'll show you a few recipes to help you turn your ordinary oatmeal breakfast into something far more delicious. Apple pie oatmeal. This will help you boost your metabolism. The ingredients are 1 cup of steel-cut oatmeal, 2 cups of almond milk, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. This is optional, but let's be honest, we'd always put it in there. 1 large apple, peeled and cut into bite-sized bits. And 1 cup of applesauce, unsweetened if possible. In a saucepan, combine the milk, oatmeal, maple syrup, and cinnamon. Stir regularly on low heat until the milk is fully absorbed. After that, add the applesauce. Once all the liquid has been absorbed, which should take about 15 minutes, put it in a bowl and enjoy this delicious breakfast. Oatmeal raisin cookies. Perfect snack. For 15 cookies, you'll need 3/4 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of applesauce, 1 cup of raisins, and 2 cups of fast-cooking oats. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. In a separate bowl, whip the sugar and butter together before adding the egg. Then, add the applesauce and 1/3 cup of water. It is now time to add the flour mixture, raisins, and oats. Mix all of the ingredients and let it chill for at least 20 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, scoop cookie dough balls onto the baking tray with an ice cream scoop. Wait for them to spread out before putting them in the oven. Bake the cookies for approximately 15 minutes, or until golden brown. And you're done. Almond butter banana oatmeal. Are you hungry now? You'll simply need 1 cup of steel-cut oatmeal, 2 cups of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 2 teaspoons of honey, this is also optional but recommended, and 1 thinly sliced banana. In a saucepan, combine the oatmeal and milk and cook on low heat until the milk is mostly absorbed. After that, add the almond butter and 1/2 of the banana slices. Stir the mixture and allow it to absorb the remaining liquid. Once done, move the oatmeal to a bowl, drizzle with honey and top it with the remaining banana slices. Now enjoy your creation. Do you also like eating oats? Feel free to share your recipes with us in the comments section. Don't forget to send this video to all your friends and give it a like at the same time. For more awesome videos, click subscribe.